Good morning, Miva. Yes, Monday morning, day after a weekend, and trying to get our bearings straight here this Monday morning. That's okay. That's what we're here to do. Monday morning sessions just to help kind of wake you up a little bit, get you thinking a little bit, right? Getting you started in the day. So we'll begin with our quote of the day. You find ways to get through your difficult feelings, and solutions finally arrive. A feeling of acceptance may then follow and can feel quite comforting. Teresa Jackson, good words for us today. Okay, today is day 6 of March Mainness, and so today is Stylish Sock Day. Show your socks or tell a sock story. That should be a fun thing. So as you go about your day, make sure that you have some good socks on. All right, that's be a good way to celebrate today. All right, today in science, March 9th, 2017, cosmic radio bursts may indicate alien technology. Any alien lovers out there are thinking that, oh, there must be life somewhere out there, right? Well, researchers from the Harvard Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics in Cambridge, Massachusetts, published a study positing that fast radio burst, a currently unexplained cosmic anomaly, may in fact be evidence of advanced alien transmitters used to power extraterrestrial probes. Originating from galaxies billions of light years away, these radio bursts have frustrated scientists since 2007 when they were discovered. Lacking any conceivable natural source, astrophysicists theorized that the potential devices could be planet-sized solar sails used for interstellar travel. All right, so that's an interesting thought, but it could be something that we just haven't discovered that does occur in nature as well. So, are you a skeptic or are you not? Kind of fun to think about, I think. All right, today in history in 1820, again, the year that our state became a state, Maine became a state in 1820, Congress passes the Land Act, paving the way for westward expansion. And so the map here above shows you those are the areas, especially these areas up here in the orange, all right, and some of these as well, that people started going west and buying land for pretty cheap. Then in 1841, the rebel slaves who seized a Spanish slave ship, the Amistad, in 1839, are freed by the Supreme Court despite Spanish demands for extradition. And if you ever get a chance to see the movie Amistad, they do a pretty good job of chronicling what happened. It's very, very compelling and a little bit disturbing as well. Of course, it's talking about the slave trade. All right, in 1862, the first and last battle between the ironclads USS Monitor and CSS Virginia ends in a draw. So that's the first real battle of iron-built ships. That was kind of interesting. This one looks like a cheese box on a raft, which is what they kind of called it. And this is the USS Virginia upside down with its hull kind of pointing up with plates on it. So again, it ended in a draw, but ship travel changed from that point on. All right, finally, just as a little personal for me, 1964 is my first car that I really love, so I still kind of hold it in my heart still. The first Ford Mustang rolls off the Ford assembly line. I have yet to own one, but one of these days, I think I just might. Beautiful looking car to me, and was also in Get Smart, and I love that show. So anyway, a little bit about me. All right, next, this is kind of interesting. I chose this one even though I wasn't sure I should. National Procrastination Week is the first 2 weeks in March. I like that. Or when it's convenient. That sounds very good, doesn't it? The first 2 weeks in March, or when it's convenient, is National Procrastination Week. Sometimes it gets pushed back on the calendar. I just love this. The goal of the week is to celebrate the act of procrastinating by leaving necessary tasks to be done at a later time. There are other purposes for the holiday. One claim is that the week is of putting off provides a mental and emotional break, causing a decrease in stress and anxiety. Oh, well, maybe that's true. Finally, however, the holiday does not advocate sloth, laziness, or inaction, right? Instead, it emphasizes accomplishing tasks and leisurely activities that could not be completed while one had other responsibilities. These may include reading, cooking, cleaning, exercising, and of course, book learning and doing assignments for your classes, right? So that is part of National Procrastination Week, or when it's convenient. I thought that was pretty hilarious. All right, so we've got some field trips coming up. Don't forget March 12th, coming right at 3 days from now. That's Thursday, March 12th at 11:30. Be there at the State House, and Ms. Valley will give you a tour. And please let her know as soon as you can if you'd like to go. And the virtual science fair, just a reminder, that is coming up next week, the 18th and 19th. And so I think a lot of you have been working on some great projects, and we'll get to see them in our Blackboard sessions, all right, on those 2 days. And then there's a public theater, of course. INU is being shown on March 18th, so that's next week as well. Make sure you get your word to Mrs. Hamilton to see if you want to go to that, and she'll let you know. All right. Also, the children. But this is again postponed from earlier. The Portland stage in Portland, and that's at 10 o'clock, Thursday, April 16th. Have some fun there. And don't forget, tomorrow is the MEVA Creative Writing Club. It does now meet on Tuesdays from 3:30 to 4. Contact Dr. C if you need more information or you just want to join in. All right, announcing the January, February IXL honor rolls. All right, so we do this every other month, and so this month our 7th grade LA is Brady, and they also tied for that first place was Talon Joseph. Our 8th grader for LA was Layla. Congratulations. 9th grade Tegan, 10th grade Kelsey, 11th grade Onaya, and 12th grade Natasha. So good job on your language arts IXLs for January and February. You are our honor roll winners. You'll be getting something in the mail soon. All right, in math, it's Alex and Alex for 7th grade, Robin for 8th, Tegan for 9th, Ryan for 10th, and Lance 11th, and Kirsten for 12th grade. All right, good job, everyone, on your work in IXL. And we keep on rolling because we know that's going to help both our classwork and our tests that we take coming right up this month and next. All right, so just enjoy your time with your advisors at this time. Not sure why that last slide didn't show. Oh, there it is. Enjoy your advisory time. One day on Mercury lasts approximately 1,408 hours. The same as one Monday on Earth. Well, maybe it isn't true, but anyway, it sounds like fun. Enjoy your time, and don't forget, this is MEVA. Make it a great day.